How to get best discount code for your Topstep website here on your PC. So let's start this video without any further delay. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for receiving more updates like this. I will simply open my browser here to find out the QR or next available promo codes for Topstep here. Let me just type it in my browser. You just have to do the same thing I'm doing right now on my screen. So from here you have to click on the first website that is available here. We cannot see any QR here, so we will simply look out to the second website that is available on your here. All the websites are genuine and you can simply use them for it. Like this is an OpenAtom, this is a website. I will click on it. Here the top 5 codes will be the first 5 codes you can see on the screen. So these are the top 5 codes. Click on get QR code or promo code to avail this offer and simply copy this promo code from here, and then you can go to the direct website and you can simply just paste it and get discount for it. Scroll down to get more promo codes here like this, and you can reach out numerous website for this and just find out a great code for you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.